After close to 4,000 kilometers of gravel, mud, river crossings, dust and adventure, the T7 is starting to look a little grubby. Some say it looks better this way, but as this adventure machine doubles as a weekday commuter, I think it's time for a bit of a cleanup. Now, we've tested Motomuck before on road grime, but now it's time to see what the pink stuff is made of with this hot mess of a muddy bike. Same deal as previous bikes, spray it all over the bike. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and spray it off. It's done a pretty damn good job. Remember, this bike had hard baked on mud. Good job, Motomuck. If you're after some Motomuck, go to motomuck.co.nz or talk to your local motorcycle stockist. And thanks for supporting the Great Rides of New Zealand series on the Kiwi Rider podcast channel. Available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or anywhere you get your podcasts.